In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold this really aggressive and very amazing paper airplane I designed, and it is called Hunter.
Fill me out with your smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound. I'm safe and sound, 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 I'm safe and sound.
In order to fold Hunter, you need an A4 size paper. So first we're going to fold this edge to this edge. And then open it. And now we're going to fold this edge to the center. And then repeat on the other side. Now we're going to fold this edge to the center line, to the center line. Repeat on the other side. Now we're going to fold this point to this bottom point where this crease touches this edge. I'm going to mark it out with a pen so you can see. Like this. Now this is the most hardest step. So we're going to fold this edge to the center. We're going to fold it. We're going to pick the edge up and then fold it to the center and then crease all the way like this. Now we have this line. We're going to rest this line onto this edge we made. Repeat on the other side. Now we're going to fold this point up as far as it can go. And now we're going to fold the entire thing in half. And now we're going to make the wings. So the wing crease will start from this point where this edge touches this edge right over here, like this. And then we're going to land this edge onto this point or this corner. Flip the paper over and repeat on the other side. Then open your wings up and do some adjustments, like fold the wings up a little bit, not down or not like this, up a little bit so it makes the letter Y, and also bend these creases up a little bit if it is diving down like this. If you like this video, you can give this video a like, and also you can subscribe over here and subscribe right over here. And if you want to see more paper airplane videos, you can click right over here. And if you want to see my latest shorts, you can watch it over here. So yes, see you guys next time. Bye.